Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Muhammad Umar. I'm your English instructor. I hope all of you are doing well. Let's see what we have today. Here's the bridging and here's the answer of that bridging. I hope all of you have solved it. We have belief number 23, in which we have to recognize the form and various functions of a simple past tense. What is simple past tense? And when we use it, the simple past tense is used to indicate an action completed in the past. It shows that something started and finished before now, before present. Action completed before present time. The simple past tense often occur with adverb or adverb phrase of past, like we have last year. Ping lived with his parents in a wooden cottage in a countryside village. It is in the past tense. She taught him everything she knew about gardening. He left school last year. Sometimes this tense is used without an adverb of time. The time may be either implied or indicated by the context. Ping filled a flower pot with rich soil. I did not sleep well last night. There is an important information for you. When you are writing a negative tense in simple past, you use did as an auxiliary verb or helping verb. And after that, you have to use first form of verb. On the other hand, when you are using simple past tense as an affirmative sentence, then you can see that here's the second form or past participle form of fill, which is filled. It also used to show past habits. Look for words that show routine. For example, he used to, which means he do this before or many times. He used to study many hours every day. She always carried an umbrella. How to make or change the verb? Regular verb forms their past tense and past participle by adding ed or d. For example, here's the first form of verb, which is present form walked. Walk, we add ed to make it past and it become walked. And similarly, we have discuss, word or verb, which is present form, we add ed with it, which makes it discussed, a past form. Here's a irregular verb. Irregular verb are different from regular verb, in which we add ed to make it past. In this, we just change few letters in it, like sit. The second form of sit is sat. Similarly, the second form of eat is ate. Here's an example. He left school last year. Here the word left is irregular verb and last year is adverb phrase of time. Okay, bacho, let me tell you the formula of this. We have subject, second form of verb or past participle, and object. Similarly, in negative sentences, we just use subject plus did as an auxiliary verb plus not plus first form of verb plus object. And when we have to make it interrogative sentence, we just write did in the start and the remaining formula will be same. And we add question mark in it. I hope this lecture will be helpful for you. Here's a formative check. Now it's time to solve it in your class. Here is your homework. Do it at your home. Okay, bacho. Allah Hafiz.